beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I know this is different. We've been doing try and haul after try and haul after try and haul, but I thought I'd pop in here for an extra video this week and talk about some makeup and beauty because I've actually been inspired lately. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen I've been super inspired by color. I'm actually doing like color stories right now, where I, kind of post the same colors and post like aesthetic kind of photos, and I'm just trying to play with color right now. I'm really inspired by summer, by spring, by just color, and just like I think I'm just inspired because this year I turned 30. I know, I don't look it. I turned 30, and I think that after 2020, I just realized like I wasn't living to the extent of my life that I wanted to live, and so I've been like putting myself out there, making new friends, going to all the places I want to go to, playing with color, just like really trying to open myself up. So I say all of that to say that when I saw this collection, I knew I had to get my hands on it. So if you don't know what collection I'm talking about the Barbie and Colourpop. It's the Malibu Barbie collection. Look how cute. Okay, so right off the bat, I just want to say this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this entire collection. I am on Colourpop's PR list, but they send me like randomly, they'll send me stuff. They don't send me every single new launch. So with this launch, I wasn't sure if I was getting it or not, and I knew I really wanted it, so I just went ahead and bought the entire collection to share with you guys. So just so you know, I am not paid. They didn't tell me to make this. I genuinely just wanted to show you guys because I think it's so cute, so nostalgic, so fun for summer. I'm really enjoying it. I also filmed a makeup tutorial using the collection for Instagram, and I figured I would just pop it in here as well. So I'm going to show you guys everything, play around with everything, do swatches, and then I'm going to show you the makeup tutorial that I did. You may or may not have seen it already on Instagram. Not sure which one is going up first, but I will put it here after I show you guys the entire collection. So if you want to skip to the makeup tutorial portion, I will put the timestamp right here so you can go and check out the makeup tutorial instead of, me talking and watching the collection and all that stuff. So I hope that sums everything up for you guys. Let's get into it. I'm really excited to show you because I love this collection. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys, so sad about this. This is the hand mirror, and the packaging is to die for. I really wish that the actual packaging of everything had like Barbie on it and had this kind of motif, but it's the outer packaging that has it. So this is the hand mirror. Again, I bought the entire collection, so this is what comes with that. And the hand mirror is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like a full, maybe not this big, but something like full size. This one is more of like a child size, definitely more of a travel kind of mirror, but it's really, really cute. Box. And then this is the packaging, which is cute. It's just kind of plain. But I'm so sad because I just got this package yesterday and I was using the mirror today and it fell and broke. Look how sad. Okay, so I'm gonna start on the palette because I think this is probably the best part of this entire collection, because I think Colourpop just really knows how to be innovative and to keep their stuff really like fresh and fun and colorful and just be inspiring. They're like one of the few brands that I think are doing some really fun stuff, and the quality is always amazing. So this is the Malibu Barbie Pressed Powder Palette. The colors are so cute too, like the names of them, and the quality is everything. So I'm definitely gonna do full swatches for you guys. And I love that the outer packaging and the actual palette packaging match. We love that. We love that. I love that they listened, because other brands, MAC, they do really fun collections like this, but then the outer packaging is the fun part and the inner packaging is boring. We live for a fun inner packaging, and it has different textures as well. So it has like the Barbie part is like a sticker kind of material, and then the Malibu part is a 3D texture. This up here is a 3D texture, and you do get a nice size mirror. So this is what the palette looks like. It is so fun, So colorful, so bright. Love that it's actually a bright color story. It's not trying to be, you know, Barbie inspired with a bunch of nudes. It's actually bright. You do get one nice matte brown and kind of one peachy kind of shade that could be neutral, but besides that, everything else is really colorful and so much fun. First we have Cali Girl, and this one is a really nice shimmer, a classic light rose gold shimmer. Skin, dry finger, no primer. Next we have Vintage Doll. It's definitely like a really pretty shimmer pink. Next we have Come On. Come On is a really beautiful traditional, I would say, copper bronze color. So that's it right there, Come On. I have Let's Go Party, which is this gorgeous, if you can see in there, it's a rainbow imprinted in there. And then there's one that has a heart, and then there's one that has a palm tree. Just such a cute little nod. True, I would say like a true bright coral peach color. We have the shade Shine On, and this one is again really beautiful, traditional, kind of like bronzy, I don't know, it's like a bronze true rose gold kind of color. Definitely a really beautiful rose gold coppery metallic color. Then we have West Coast, which is a really beautiful bright mustardy yellow minted. So that one is West Coast. Super like egg yolk mustard yellow. So beautiful. Next we have Best Coast, which is the super bright matte pink. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Super bright, super matte. And these colors actually perform so well. Next we have Follow the Sun, and this one is a very, again, traditional pink shimmer. The sun. Next we have Malibu Memories, which is a bright teal matte as well. So pigmented. I feel like this is super 90s Barbie nostalgia for me. Like the bright colors. Look how pretty. So that's Malibu Memories. Now we have Zuma Beach, which is a dark, like mid-tone, rusty, chocolatey brown. It's so pretty. Make Waves, which is the one that has the little palm tree in it. Look how cute. This one is, again, a nice, neutral, peachy kind of shade. Kind of looks like sand. So pretty. Next is Boardwalk, rose tone neutral. Yeah, very rosy. That's what that looks like. Some nice neutrals to play with to kind of balance out all those colors. Then there's Surf's Up, which is again a really bright teal shade, but this one is a metallic. So fun. And again, that Surf's Up. Then we have 1971, which is a really like bright, like a bright copper. I'm trying to find a, so that's 1971. Really pretty, like a bright copper shade. And then the last one is SoCal, which is a super bright orange. So pretty. And this is the one of the main ones I used in the makeup tutorial that I'm going to show you guys. Palette is the best part of this collection. The colors are so bright, so pigmented. I think they really nailed the color story. Again, this is like one of the biggest criticisms of when brands do these kinds of collaborations. It always feels like they miss the mark on the packaging, on the colors, on the color story. And then if all of that is right, the quality is terrible. But with these, they ticked all the boxes. Okay, the next product is the Beach Party Super Shock Highlighter. Again, look how fun the packaging. It's so pretty. So this again is a large highlighter. Wish the palette or the packaging matched. The back has like the little palm trees, but it's cute. Pretty. Definitely a beautiful shade. I did use it again in that makeup tutorial that you guys are gonna see. It's really, if you haven't tried one of these, they're really soft and creamy. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This color is really nice. It's not over the top. It's the perfect, like, soft, champagne-y, bronzy kind of color. Like you can put that all over your body and it makes it look almost wet. Into the lipsticks because I want to try them on for you guys. We have lashes, and these are the doll lashes. Probably not something I would pick up. It's just that, again, it was part of the collection. But the packaging is really cute. And this is what they look like. Probably keep this box for sure though and use them for whatever lashes I'm using. Okay, last but not least, there's 3 lipstick duos. I have all 3 and I'm gonna do swatches of each of them. So we have, I just wanted to show you the packaging, the boxes first, because they're so cute. There's Golden Beach, Dream House, and Malibu Sunset. And I love that the packaging of each lipstick is actually different to kind of go with the vibe of the name of the lipstick. Look how pretty. So Malibu Sunset, you have a sunset. Dream House, you have rainbows. And then the beach obviously shows the beach. And I just thought this packaging was so cute. I had to show you guys. I'm obsessed. Actual lip liner and lipstick packaging is pink, and I actually really like this packaging. It gives like little kid vibes, but in a good way. If you are, you know, a kid who grew up playing with Barbie, especially someone like me who grew up in the 90s, like the 80s and 90s, Malibu Barbie aesthetic was like really the aesthetic of that time for Barbie. So this is extremely nostalgic for me, and I feel like having this pink see-through packaging is just so like 90s 2000s. It's just so cute. It's so cute with the pink and the iconic like Barbie little emblem icon there. And yeah, I really like this. I feel like this is really cute. It almost feels like a toy, which is in a good way, like which is a good thing in this collection because obviously Barbie's a toy. So it kind of feels like you're the Barbie playing with your makeup, and I like that. And then the lip liners are pink as well, but you do see the color of them at the bottom, which I love because it just makes it easier when you're trying to find your lip liner. I'm gonna swatch them all for you guys. They're not gonna be perfect because I have to do so many, but just bear with me. So I'm gonna start with the color Golden Beach, and then I'll work my way up to the darker ones. So this shade is super like soft peachy brown neutral. This is the kind of nude you could wear if you're wearing a full face or without. And I like that because the nude that I typically wear only looks good with heavy eye makeup because you need that balance. But this one I feel like you could wear with heavy makeup or a no makeup look. Lipstick itself is really lightweight. It has almost like a lip balm consistency. It's definitely like a creamy matte, if that makes sense. On me, I definitely feel like it gives off the perfect nude with a hint of peach. I really like this. I definitely see myself wearing this a lot, especially in the summer when I get even darker. Next one is Dream House, and this one is like a really nice rosy pink kind of color. And I didn't show you guys this with the first lipstick, but these lipsticks have the word or the name Barbie like 3D etched into the lipstick, which makes it look so pretty. It makes it look like a toy, again in a good way. I love how it looks. It's so pretty. So yes, just wanted to show you guys that before I ruin it. So here's the shade Dream House. I feel like this is probably the most quintessential Barbie pink lipstick. When you think of a Barbie pink, you definitely think of a mid-tone, like bluish tone, but not super hot pink. It's like a very bubblegum, fresh, but still demure kind of pink. Normally I wouldn't go for something like this, but I actually love the way it looks even with all the you know, smokiness going on. I feel like this is the perfect pink to get away with when you're wearing heavy makeup. Last lipstick now. Okay, this last color is probably my favorite out of the bunch, surprisingly, and this is the brightest, funnest color. Or maybe not the brightest, it's the deepest. This one is Malibu Sunset. It's the prettiest, bright Barbie pink. Look how cute. Again, sorry if it isn't perfect. I'm not using a mirror. I'm doing it directly from the camera. I'm obsessed with this color. Again, you can see even with the heavy makeup, I think it still looks okay. I love this. I feel like this is the summer's version of the winter red or dark lips. Could be my go-to like dark or bright kind of staple lipstick when I'm looking for the same vibe that red gives. But this would be like, I feel like it's the perfect summer version. Red lip. And I think you could play with this and do a red lip liner and make it more intense. I just went around with red lip liner. This is, I believe, Cherry from MAC, which is like the perfect super bright red. And I just think it really, again, like amps it up. So it's like, it's kind of red, but it still has like a pink, strawberry, apple-y kind of color to it. It's just so pretty. It's just such a pretty color, kind of like magenta vibes. I just think it's so pretty. And then I feel like you could do the opposite, where you could put like a lighter pink on it and play with it like that and just make different variations of it. But yeah, I love all three of these lipsticks. They really nailed it. And Colourpop's lip liner quality is there as well. I'll also pop on some of this highlighter so you guys can see. It's really bright and so pretty. Okay, so for this look, I had already done my foundation and concealer, but I'm going to go in with my Fenty cream bronzer to contour, and then I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape to brighten. This tutorial was slowed down for YouTube, but it's faster on Instagram. So for the brows, I'm just cleaning them up with some concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape again as a primer. And I'm also using the Tarte DIY Brow on my brows. I love that product. So I went all over the lid with that bright orange, and then I took the bright yellow and I kind of blended it from the inner corner. And then I took the bright pink and did that in the outer corner and the crease. Now for bronzer, I'm using Colourpop bronzer, which was part of a different collection, but it is from Colourpop. This glitter is also from Colourpop. It's like a pressed glitter. And again, I will link everything below. I'm using this bright pink blush from Milani. It's a cream blush. And then I'm using the Colourpop Barbie collection highlighter. I didn't do a pink lip for this look, even though the bright pink would have been really pretty, but because I was going for more of an orange aesthetic, I did a bright orange lip. And this one is from Dose of Colors. It was limited edition, but I will link some similar items below. And that's the final look for this. I also added a Colourpop nude colored liner in my waterline and a little bit of black liquid liner on the top. And that's it. I really love how this collection performed. The colors are so beautiful, and I really love how this look came out. So go show some love on Instagram. I really, really would appreciate it. If you love what I do, like, comment, share. It really helps your favorite content creators. I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, so that is all for this video. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you're interested in getting this collection. Are you gonna pick up anything in this collection? Did I convince you to get anything from this collection? Did you already buy? What's going on? Let me know. Let me know what your fave item was, what you think, all that good stuff. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. All my socials and everything is down below. And don't forget to check out my last video, which was a misguided try-on haul. So yeah, if you're interested in all that good stuff, make sure you subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next one. Stay glam. Bye.